All right, so today I'm going to walk you through how to trim or cut videos that you've recorded on your iPhone. This is really helpful if you have a video where you want to take either the ending off or the beginning off. Being that I record a lot of videos for this YouTube channel, I do use this feature a lot, and it's super helpful, and it's just a really quick way to edit your videos. Now, to do this, we need to obviously open up a video that we want to edit. So here's what I did on the Roku TV. And we're going to hit these like settings, these filters down here at the bottom. And we're going to look at these two arrows. So these two arrows are on the very beginning and the very end of our video. So if I want to take off the very beginning, let's say I want to remove the first 7.5 seconds, I would move that 7.5 seconds in. Okay. Now this video is going to start 7.5 seconds in, and it's going to cut out that very beginning part. If I want to cut out the last 3 seconds of the video, I would do the same thing. I would grab that arrow with my finger. Come on, there it is. And we're going to cut this down to about 1 minute. There it is. So now I have edited this video by taking out the front and the back, cutting those last seconds off. When you're done and you feel like you have it, you would just hit this done button up top. And you have two options here. You can save the video, which is going to override the original. Don't recommend that. I would use the save video as new clip. So you have both videos still saved to your photos. So if I look in here, I have one here that's 104, and I have one here that's 52 seconds, and they're both still in my videos. So guys, I hope this helps. If it does, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.